Calico Critters Baby Airplane Ride In-Depth Reviews. This product has 4.6 stars based on 608 ratings and 21 reviews. 91% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 3% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said airplane ride. I found this and wanted it. I got this out together and tried it out. Seems to work as it should. I like how you pull up on the top, or push down to raise or lower the planes. I do stop motion videos and use this in my video. It works good, but it moved around a little on me, so I had to hold the base to make sure I kept it in place. The babies all fit in the plane, and it has a spot where the feet fit. I think it helps keep them secure. Great addition for any Calico Critters fan.
Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. A piece of junk out. Fairly easy to assemble, but none of the different sized Calico Critters fit snugly inside the airplanes, so they fell out as soon as you spin it. The spinning action drags and you have to hold the base while spinning. Don't waste your money. It was a birthday gift, so I couldn't return it. This might have worked if it was equipped with a spring-type wind-up mechanism. But instead it has a center stick that the child has to spin while holding the cheap plastic base. Don't waste your money. I would have returned it immediately, but it was a birthday gift for a 5-year-old. Very disappointed. That's it.